Did you know over 50% of women after menopause experience thinning hair that falls flat and lifeless almost every day? If yours feels thin, weighed down, or simply not vibrant anymore, pause right now. This one gentle shift revives your natural lift without harsh treatments or effort. Let's restore that graceful bounce you deserve, together. Before we continue, kindly tap the subscribe button on your screen. You'll get consistent, gentle wisdom just for us. Real tips on reviving flat hair, comfortable elegant outfits that honor your joints. By our 60s and beyond, we've gathered so much wisdom, and our hair changes with us. Menopause hormones, finer strands, less natural scalp oil. Suddenly styles that once held now collapse quickly, leaving the crown flat and us feeling less vibrant. Mornings can feel frustrating when that lift vanishes, quietly chipping at confidence. You're not alone in this tender shift, dear friend. It's a normal part of a richly lived life, not something wrong with you. Pause if this resonates. Let's honor it gently together. Today, 5 simple, 2026 smart stops and gentle swaps to end flat hair for good. Volumizing routines perfect for thinning mature strands, lightweight products that lift without weight, and easy styling that celebrates your grace. The number 4 hero. It's the everyday habit most women over 60 do that secretly flattens everything. Stay for it. It transformed my own hair gently. Let's talk. Tip 1. Stop over-conditioning the roots. Let's start with something so many of us do without thinking. Applying conditioner right at the roots. After 60, especially post-menopause, our scalp produces far less natural oil. That once helpful heavy conditioner now sits heavy on already fine, thinning strands, flattening everything from the crown down. It feels like no matter how carefully we style, the lift just melts away by mid-morning. Sound familiar? You're not doing anything wrong. Your hair is simply in a new, wiser season that needs a gentler approach. Here's the simple, kind fix. Next time you wash, apply your volumizing or lightweight conditioner only from mid-lengths to ends. Keep the roots completely free of it. Instead, reach for a residue-free or volumizing shampoo and massage it gently at the scalp. That's where we want the lift to begin. The beautiful benefit. Your roots stay light and free to breathe, giving you that natural, graceful bounce without ever stripping or damaging those delicate strands you've earned over the years. It honors the changes in your body while letting your hair show its quiet strength again. Easy test you can try right away. During your next shampoo, skip the roots entirely with the conditioner. When you rinse and towel dry, just feel that instant lightness at the crown. It's often surprising how much difference this one small shift makes. Comment below with a simple roots free. If you're going to try this gentle change tomorrow, I'd love to know you're with me on this, and I'll reply to cheer you on. You're taking such good care of yourself, dear friend. Let's keep lifting each other up. Tip 2. Stop drying flat and downward. Now let's talk about drying, another everyday habit that quietly flattens so many of us after 60. Whether we let hair air dry naturally or blow dry straight down and smooth, gravity wins every time on our finer, more delicate strands. The roots get pressed flat against the scalp, and that beautiful lift we crave simply disappears. It can feel discouraging, like our hair is working against us, but this is not about lack of effort, it's about how aging hair responds differently now. You've taken such good care of it for decades. It just needs a kinder technique in this chapter. The gentle fix is surprisingly simple and takes almost no extra time. When drying, lift small sections at the roots using your fingers or a round brush. Direct the airflow upward from the crown first. Think of gently encouraging the roots to stand away from the scalp instead of lying flat. Start there before moving to the lengths. No tugging, no heat overload, just soft, upward movement. What you gain is safe, lasting root lift that feels natural and healthy. There's no pulling or stress on those precious thinning ends, so you protect the hair you've nurtured all these years while bringing back that graceful, youthful bounce around your face. You can test this right this moment. No tools needed. Take one small section at the crown, lift it gently with your fingers, and imagine the airflow coming from below. Look in the mirror and see the instant difference in height and body. Feels hopeful, doesn't it? Comment lift below if you're going to try this upward drying tomorrow. I truly look forward to hearing from you, and I'll reply to celebrate your gentle step forward. We're lifting each other up, one kind change at a time, dear friend. Tip 3. Stop using heavy products or wrong layers. Here's another common habit that sneaks up on us after 60 and quietly flattens our hair more than we realize. Many of the styling products we've loved for years, those rich, silicone-packed creams, thick mousses, or heavy serums, now coat our finer strands like a blanket, making them look stringy and limp instead of full. And haircuts with lots of choppy, face-framing layers. They can actually thin out the appearance even more on mature hair that's already lost some density. It's easy to feel like nothing works anymore, but this isn't about your effort or beauty fading. It's simply your hair asking for lighter, wiser choices in this season of life. The gentle fix is straightforward and kind to both your strands and your routine. Switch to a lightweight root lift spray or volumizing mousse, and apply it only to damp roots right after towel drying. Focus the product there to build body from the base. For cuts, ask your stylist for soft internal layers, hidden inside for support, or a classic blunt bob or lob. These create the beautiful illusion of thicker, fuller hair without removing length or adding harsh choppiness. The reward is so worth it. You build safe, natural-looking body that lasts through the day, while protecting those delicate ends from build-up or breakage. It brings back that timeless elegance we carry so gracefully after 60. Hair that frames your face softly and confidently, honoring every year of wisdom. Easy test you can start this very week. Pick just one heavy product you currently use, maybe that thick cream or serum, and replace it with a lightweight root lifter. Use it as directed. Then notice the extra bounce and movement by day's end. It's often a small swap that feels surprisingly freeing. Comment lighter roots below if you're ready to make this gentle switch this week. I'd love to hear which product you're letting go of, and I'll be right here cheering you on with a reply. You're doing beautiful work caring for yourself. Dear friend, keep shining. Tip 4. Hero. Stop washing too often, or skipping scalp care. Here comes the hero tip. The one everyday habit that surprises so many women over 60 when they finally adjust it. After menopause, our scalp naturally produces much less oil than it used to. Washing every single day can strip away what little protective sebum remains, leaving strands dry, brittle, and prone to falling flat right at the roots. On the flip side, going too long without washing often lets product build up, dead skin, or even sweat accumulate, which weighs everything down and makes hair look even flatter and duller. Either extreme can feel like a losing battle, but the truth is, this isn't about being lazy or unclean. It's your scalp quietly asking for a more balanced rhythm that matches where your body is now. The gentle, game-changing fix is to stretch washes to every 2 to 3 days, depending on what feels comfortable for you. On the in-between days, refresh with a light dry shampoo, spray at roots, massage in, then brush through, or simply use your fingertips to do a quick, soothing 2-minute scalp massage. No product needed, just gentle circular motions to stimulate circulation and distribute any natural oils downward. Once a month, use a clarifying shampoo to gently remove any lingering buildup without harshness. The beautiful payoff is remarkable. Preserving your scalp's natural health helps those roots stay lifted and lively longer, often giving you noticeably fuller-looking hair with less effort. So many women in their 60s and beyond tell me they feel freer, more confident, and honestly surprised at how much volume returns just by listening to their scalp's new needs. Easy test you can try starting today. Simply skip your next scheduled wash day. Let your hair rest, use dry shampoo or a quick scalp massage if needed, and observe how the roots look and feel the following morning. Many notice an instant perk up and softness that wasn't there before. Comment hero roots below if you're brave enough to skip a wash day this week and see what happens. I'm so excited to hear your results, and I'll reply personally to support you through it. This small shift can feel so liberating, dear friend. You're truly honoring yourself with every gentle choice. Tip 5. Stop ignoring strategic cut and part change. And now for our final gentle shift, one that many women over 60 overlook, yet it delivers some of the most noticeable lift with almost no daily effort. When hair becomes finer and less dense, keeping it long and one length all the way down can pull everything flat toward the shoulders, especially with a center part that divides the volume evenly and exposes more scalp. It often makes the crown look thinner than it truly is, and that can quietly erode the confidence we feel inside. This isn't a sign that long hair is wrong for us now. It's simply that our hair's structure has evolved, and it's ready for a small, thoughtful update that celebrates rather than fights the changes. The kind fix is elegant and low commitment. Consider moving to a mid-length bob or long bob, lob, that hits around the collarbone or just below. It naturally adds movement and the illusion of fuller density without drastic shortness. If you prefer to keep more length, ask for soft, internal layers that add subtle support inside the shape rather than choppy exterior ones. For an instant daily boost, switch from a center part to a soft side part or even a gentle zigzag. Both create a symmetry that lifts the roots and directs volume where you want it most, framing your face beautifully. The benefit is profound. Your hair begins to work with you again, softly framing your features, softening wisdom lines, and giving that graceful, fuller appearance that feels so authentically you. It's not about chasing youth. It's about honoring this wise, vibrant chapter with styles that enhance the quiet power you carry every day. Easy test you can do right this moment. Stand in front of a mirror, gently flip your part from center to side, or zigzag if you like, and smooth it into place with your fingers. Look straight on and notice the surprise lift at the crown and how it opens up your face. It's often immediate and uplifting. Comment new part below if you're going to try flipping your part today or this week. I can't wait to hear how it makes you feel, and I'll reply with encouragement for every single one of you. You've come so far in caring for yourself, dear friend. This small change is another beautiful way to shine brighter. At 60 plus and beyond, dear friend, your hair isn't fading or failing. It's softening into something deeper, wiser, and more authentically you. The strands that once held every style with ease now carry the quiet story of a life richly lived. Decades of laughter, love, challenges met with grace, and wisdom earned through every season. These gentle stops we've shared today aren't about chasing what was. They honor where you are right now. They free your hair to lift naturally, framing your face with the soft glow and quiet power that only time can give. You've nurtured your body and spirit through so much. Now let these small, kind shifts celebrate this vibrant chapter you've truly earned. Wear your hair, and every part of this beautiful, wise self, with pride. You are not diminishing. You are distilling into pure elegance. Breathe it in. This is your time to shine softly, confidently, exactly as you are. If today's gentle wisdom sparked even a little lift in your heart or a spark of hope for your hair, please hit that like button. It truly means the world to our ever-smart senior women's circle and helps these messages reach more sisters who need them. Comment below right now. Which of these 5 stops speaks to you most? Which one will you try first? Or share a bit of your own flat hair story if it feels right. I read every single comment personally and reply to as many as I can because we're in this together. Your words inspire me and lift everyone here. For more tailored, uplifting wisdom just for us, reviving volume in mature hair, comfortable yet elegant outfits that honor our joints, mindful decluttering of sentimental treasures without guilt, graceful beauty routines, health tips for this chapter, and living lightly with confidence. Subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a video.